Yeah, in this session we will discuss about while loop. So for this while loop, so while loop means it is used to iterate the same logic for specified number of times. For this you need two parameters. One is minimum and another one is maximum. So minimum number, maximum number. Okay, these two parameters are required. So it is used to iterate the same logic for specified number of times. Okay, and in the middle of the while loop, if you want to break the execution, you can break. Okay, so I will tell about that one also. So before that, I will take one example to understand the while loop concept clearly. Okay, so my example is one is the minimum number and 30 is the maximum number. Okay, two numbers, what are the even numbers and what are the odd numbers, I need to display separately. In first data set we need to display even numbers. In second data set we need to display odd numbers. Okay, so for this we need to use two tables. There is a concept in MySQL called temp tables. You can use that tables temporarily. Okay, is drop temporary tables, temporary table if exist. Here you can write the table name, even you can write any table name. Create temporary table even in the bracket number, that is called integer data type. This is just like table creation, but we are using temporary keyword. Okay, so here this command will be used to drop the temporary table with the name of even if it exists. Okay, so for safety purpose we are using this command. Okay, next, same like odd also. So here I already told you we need two parameters, minimum, maximum. Okay, so here I am taking that parameters p underscore minimum and p underscore maximum. Here this is the syntax, p underscore minimum less than or equal to p underscore maximum and do begin end. At the end of this, like if else, we need to close while loop with end while. Okay, so this is the syntax of while loop, and here for next iteration we need to set p underscore minimum value equal to p underscore minimum plus 1. Here you can write the logic. Okay, so first of all, I am going to check minimum value p underscore minimum, and what is the logic of even? If the coefficient, if you divide a particular number with 2 and if the remainder is 0, then that is called even number. If the remainder is not equal to 0, that means 1, then that is called odd number. And else block, begin, and if. So here I am going to, so if this condition is satisfied, that is called even number. I am going to insert into even temp table. So in this number values p underscore minimum. Same insert query I am copying and pasting here. Here table name is changed odd. Okay, so this logic is repeatedly executed for 30 times. Why? Because here minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 30. Okay, so if you put 2, then what will happen? This logic will be executed for 15 times. So step by step we are checking with one by one number. That's why we are adding 1 to the minimum value. Okay, so at first iteration p minimum value is 1. So 1 divided by 2, 1 module 2. Okay, so remainder is not equal to 0. It will go to the else block. So that is even number. Next 1 plus 1. Here 1 will be there. 1 plus 1, 2. So p minimum equal to 2. So here p minimum equal to 2. 2 less than or equal to 30. So 2 modulus 2, 0. Then it will go to even. And here p minimum becomes 2. 2 plus 1, 3. And again it will go to here p minimum with the value of 3. 3 less than or equal to 30. So 3 modulus 2. It will go to odd block. Okay. And see this. Execute this. What will happen? You will not get any records. Because you are not return the select query to display the even numbers and odd numbers. Just you are inserting. Okay. After this end while, if you write select star from even, and similarly if you write select star from odd, then you will get the even numbers list and odd numbers list. See, first one is even numbers list. This one is odd numbers list. Okay. So here 0 is not considered. If you put 0, then 0 will come. Okay. So if you put 100, then see this 99. See, and here while loop is iterating for 100 times. Okay, but I am not interested to iterate while loop for 100 times. even though I am passing 0, 100. That means I want to break the while loop in the middle of the execution. So how do you write the logic? See this. If p underscore minimum equal to 50, I want to iterate the while loop for 50 times only. Then begin end if, and here give some name to the while loop. My, and here leave. This is just like name. Check this. Even though I am passing 0 to 100, see what will happen. Up to 49 only. Here up to 50 only. Okay. So this is the logic to break the execution of the while loop. Okay. And one more thing here, if exist, this one is very, very important. Okay. Here, one more logic I am trying to implement, that is, here I am passing 0 to 100 to the while loop. And I want to know what are the department numbers are available in department table. Okay. So here 0 to 100 will be there. Okay. From 0, I don't know the department numbers in department table. Okay. But I want to know the what are the department numbers available in department table. Okay. So how do you know that? See this. Here I am writing one condition. If exist, select from DEPT table where DEPT number equal to p underscore minimum, then begin end if. Here in order to capture the department number, I need one more temp table. So DEPT numbers. So here insert into DEPT numbers. Numbers values DEPT number. Sorry, here p underscore minimum. And that table also I need to display DEPT numbers. So here logic is if the minimum number exists in department table which corresponds to the department number, okay, then that p minimum value will be inserted into department numbers temp table. Okay. See this 10, 20, 30, 40 numbers are there. So remaining logic same. So if we want to know the how many department numbers are available in employee table, that based on the input parameter values from 0 to 100, how many department numbers are available. So same. Employee, and here employee, 20 numbers. Numbers. And for employee numbers also, we need to create the temp tables. So execute it. See this 10, 20, 30 are available. Okay. So I think you may ask one doubt, like, so in order to know the department numbers or how many department numbers are available in employee table, you can just simply write like distinct department number from DEPT. See this. You can write like this, and you can write like this also. But my intention is to explain the if exist functionality. Okay, that's why I am doing like this, if exist functionality. So how do you know whether that particular value exists in a particular table? Okay, it is possible through if exist only. Okay, so this is about while loop and if exist.